Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I wanted to do a video about energy transfer. I believe I did a video on this one a while back. I just now forgot to look it up, and I will put it in the description. But if you don't have this one on your watch list, I would suggest putting it on your watch list. It's one of my favorite energy plays, plus it gives a nice, fat, juicy dividend. And just to let you know, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. I'm just telling you to put this one on your radar. Do your own due diligence and research this one and see what you can figure out for yourself and go from there. But it's been a good one for me. I have just 14 shares here at cost basis of 609, and we can take a look at that a little bit more in depth, but again, it's energy transfer. Ticker is ET, and you can kind of see what it's done here today. So I used to trade this one, and then it started going up, and so then I just been kind of sitting on it. And but if you don't know what this one is, it is in the natural gas pipeline transportation and transmission services. Its projects include Marcus Hook Industrial Complex, Mariner East Pipelines, Mont Belvieu Facility, Lone Star Express expansion, and so it's in the pipeline business. Been around since 2002, headquartered in Dallas, Texas, with a $20.75 billion market cap. And just like I said, a nice, big, fat, juicy dividend there for you. And it's still paying, so I'll show you that here in a moment. Kind of decent volume, nothing to brag about. Pretty good ratings too, 75%. There's a snapshot of their earnings. Just paid out a dividend on the 19th, and you can see it's 15 cents per share, and it paid in February and also paid in November. And I come across some interesting information. I'm not going to read the whole transcript here. As you can see, it would take us about an hour for this video, and I don't think you want to stay on for an hour, but this is just kind of an edited transcript last week of their earnings call. You can find this on Yahoo Finance. So just go ahead and plug in that title and you should be able to find it, or just type in ET up here and it should come up as well. This is their energy transfer LP stock outperforms market on strong trading day. This is actually yesterday, and I was just looking through my stocks and noticed this one is running up. So the stocks that I have, even though I have quite a few, I usually know about what they cost, and if I see anything out of the ordinary, I usually take a look at it, and this one was in the green, so even on a red day. Shares of energy transfer advanced 3.35% to $7.72 Tuesday on what proved to be an all-around mixed trading session for the stock market, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average rising 0.05 to 31,537.35, and the Nasdaq Composite Index 0.56 falling to 0.50. And as you know, if you followed the any stocks whatsoever, a lot of things were red yesterday. So this was the stock's third consecutive day of gains. Energy transfer closed $4.53. below its 52-week high, $12.25, which the company reached on March 3rd. The stock demonstrated a mixed performance when compared to some of its competitors Tuesday, as Enterprise Products Partners, EPD, rose 1.2%, and that one looks like it's $22.14. And here's some of the other competitors. Williams Koss. I don't have any of these other competitors. Kinder Morgan, $15.67. if you have any of those, go ahead and put that in the comments. That would be interesting to know. The only one that I have out of these is Energy Transfer. But had a great day yesterday, and it looks like it's having a pretty good day again today, as you can kind of see the last day as well as the last week. It's just been kind of on a staircase up. So I used to try to buy this in the $6 range, and now it's way past that, so I have to keep dollar cost averaging in. I have more in a retirement account. I am trying to get away from Robinhood. Plus, if you're looking for a different platform, if you got burned on Robinhood with the GameStop at the beginning of the month, I have several links in the description, whether it be Webull, Moomoo, Firstrade. You can get a free stock on each one of those platforms, and who doesn't like free money? So, but this is back to Reddit. Not a whole lot of recent information, just a lot of people talking about it. It looks like in regards to the new administration. Back to stock twits. Everybody that I can see on here is bullish. And especially with that dividend and also the price increasing, I mean, you can't go wrong. But again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. But this one has definitely been a good one for me. So, but not a whole lot of information here. Just a lot of people talking about it, and what I can see, everybody is bullish on it. And back to tip ranks, currently at $8.20, and they're giving a strong buy and a price target of $10, a high of 12 and a low of 9. And that is it for Energy Transfer. If you have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments along with your cost basis, and go ahead and hit that like button for me. That really helps out the channel, as well as subscribing. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers, and I thank you for all the support and everything on the channel. I did forget one last thing here. If you have a TD Ameritrade, they have a pretty cool deal here. This income estimator. You can type in the ticker here, and you can kind of see an income estimator. It's kind of a interesting little tool to mess around with. This shows a estimated annual income of $61 if you had 100 shares, so you can kind of see the potential in this one. And if you had 1,000 shares, $610. So if you had this even set up at a 100 shares and just let it sit there on drip, that would buy you about 6 to 7 shares per year, and then that just keeps snowballing. So that's the beautiful thing about dividends. And here you can see it pays out in May, August, November, and February. So if you were retired and had 1,000 or so shares, that would be a nice little addition to your income. Dividends are always nice, so but you can kind of see how that would snowball if you had 100 shares and just kept building it up over the years. And just something to throw out there. I toy around with the income estimator from time to time. Again, that is on TD Ameritrade. So that's it for Energy Transfer. I thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.